Hi, Glam fam. Welcome back to Glam Up with Misty. I hope you guys are blessed and doing well. I'm back with another chickpea good stuff mask. I have done previous ones of different type of versions of the mask. I will put that in the playlist below, so you guys check that out as well. This one is called the Chickpea Good Stuff Avocado Mask. So chickpea flour is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, E, K, folic acid, folate, niacin, potassium. It's really good to hydrate your skin, to give you that even tone, to tighten your skin as well. It's a really, really good nutrient. Also, with this particular Chickpea Good Stuff avocado mask, the ingredients I did add in it was, let's see here. I did 1 teaspoon scoop of avocado and a teaspoon of lemon juice, as well as a ½ teaspoon of honey, along with a 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, as well as a teaspoon of green tea extract, okay? So I blended all that all together, and I came up with this concoction of the mask. I normally do my mask at least once a week. This is a good idea too. It helps to extract any oils, dirt, toxins from your skin, removing anything that's going to cause you to break out or just have irritation, okay? It's really good to do a mask aside from your regular skincare routine. Now, what I normally use for my regular skincare routine is my organic skincare products. I do have a full tutorial of me using the organic rose skincare. It comes with the foam cleanser as well as the toner. And then I have the serum. This is really good to extra moisturize your skin. And then I back it up with a deep penetrating moisturizer, okay? So after I leave this mask on for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, I'll rinse it off. And then I'll follow up with a toner. And then, of course, the serum and the moisturizer to give me that extra protection to keep my skin nice and moist and glowing and radiant, okay? So now we'll also put the link where you can purchase the Rose Organic Skincare. It's really, really good for your skin. It's going to really deep cleanse your skin. It's going to hydrate and moisturize, decrease fine lines and wrinkles, and just keep your skin youthful looking and just so glowing and radiant, okay? It's very important, you guys, to have a skincare regimen in place. And also, as far as the once a week mask, because we're so subjected to like pollution and different things in the air and just, you know, our diet. So it's good to have the mask to have all that extracted from your skin, all the excess oils and stuff, and that's what causes acne. If you do suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation, having the once a week mask and also with a daily skincare regimen, it's going to really just, you know, benefit your skin tremendously, okay? So first I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to dap my face. I have no makeup on. I just have like a little lipstick here. Now, normally I do put the mask on my neck as well, but I'm not going to do that today. So this is the Chickpea Good Stuff Avocado Mask, the extra moisturizing treatment. It's going to be very, very good for your skin. I blended it nice and smooth. As you can see, it's going on smooth. A little goes a long way. Actually, I made a whole batch of it, so I'm going to maybe use the other batch next weekend. And the batch should last up to like 10 days, okay? After that, it needs to be thrown out. And it smells so organic. You can tell that it's going to be really good for your skin. Natural, vegan products, okay, that I use straight from my kitchen. Again, I'm going to leave this on for about maybe 20 minutes or so, let it tighten, and just sit back, read a book, or just meditate, you know. Self-care is very, very important, you guys. Especially these days we're living in. It's very stressful. And we're just so bombarded with the pressures of the world and everything else. So it's very important to take care of yourself. I'm avoiding under my eye area, okay? You guys got to try this. This chickpea mask will do wonders on your skin. Let me tell you. If you have super dry skin, this avocado mask is going to really go in there and deeply penetrate your skin, under your skin layer, supplying you with, extra moisturizing protection. And also I put a tablespoon of olive oil as well, okay? And add a little bit of the green tea extract. It's going to help make it more consistent with the texture. It doesn't take long to whip up. You can do it right from your kitchen. Especially for you ladies who, of a certain age, such as myself. We have to really, really take care of our skin to slow up the aging process. Even for the younger ladies, it's good to start now, like in your teens and your 20s. Take very good care of your skin, so when you do reach middle age, it's not going to really show. You're going to look so much younger than what you are. Your skin is the largest organ on your body, and it just needs the proper nutrients so it can have that even tone, radiant glow. If you do suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation, this is great for this as well. It's going to help tighten your skin. It's going to draw out all those impurities. And it's going to deep within your skin layer to heal the root of the problem, which is causing the acne, okay? You got to get to the root of the problem. This is a very powerful concoction of natural ingredients. Okay, I think that's going to do it. I'm going to leave this on for, like I said, about 15-20 minutes. Let it tighten, then I'll rinse it off. And then I'll follow up with my organic rose skincare with the toner, the serum, and the moisturizer. I'm not going to do the foam cleanser because this is going to actually do the job of cleansing, okay, this time. All right, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I've had the mask on for about 15 minutes, and it's already hardened. I can feel the tightening. You can feel the sensation of the pulling. It's taking away all the excess oil from my skin, toxins, impurities, whatever that's underneath my skin layer. It's going to the root of the problem, okay? Doing its job. The lemon I put in there, as well as the cinnamon, it acts as a antioxidant, as well as the turmeric. It's going deep within my pores, really doing what it needs to do. You can actually feel it, okay? This is holistic medicine, okay? It's not anything conventional. This is all natural, really just healing your skin from the inside out. This is a great mask if you suffer from acne, even cystic acne, and hyperpigmentation because of the lemon I put in there, as well as the turmeric. It's going to help fade away any discoloration as far as hyperpigmentation. If you have acne scarring as well, it's going to help clear that up. So, yeah, this mask is phenomenal. So I'm going to leave this on for another 5 minutes or so, then I'll rinse it off and I'll be back with you guys to show you the finished results. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Oh my God, when I tell you my skin feels absolutely amazing. It feels well hydrated, moisturized, it feels toned, tightened. That mask is a miracle. You guys got to try it, okay? I have no makeup on, just my lipstick. Look at that. Feels so soft. Feels very, very deep cleanse. I'm going to finish it up with the organic rose toner. It's going to help also reduce my pores further. Even though the mask did a really good job of shrinking my pores, this toner is going to go in and really give that extra protection of hydration as well as toning. Now, the organic rose skincare, of course, is all vegan. It's good for sensitive skin. It's for all skin types. Again, I will put the link in the show notes below of the tutorial I did on the organic rose skincare. You guys can go ahead and purchase it. You're going to love this skincare. Okay, that's the toner. Avoid getting the toner underneath your eyes because it does have witch hazel in it, okay? Okay, then I'm going to follow up with the serum. The little drops here, a little goes a long way. This is going to give you extra hydration and moisturizing. It's good for fine lines and wrinkles. Just massage it in. Get your neck. Always go up to defeat gravity. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys, the chickpea flour, I added 3 tablespoons of the chickpea flour, okay? I think I forgot to mention that when I first started the video. Okay, oh my God, that serum is magic. It makes your skin so soft and it tightens. And then lastly, back it up with the intensive moisturizing treatment, okay, the moisturizer here of the Rose Skincare. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. Put a little bit on my neck here. Now with the moisturizer, you can use this underneath your eyes, okay, because it has vitamin E in it and different oils. I'm still trying out some eye cream because I do suffer from dark circles and under eye bags. It's hereditary. I tried like 3 different ones. It's not. I didn't really like it, so I just ordered another sample from a different company, and hopefully I can find something that really, really works for those suffering with the same thing I have, dark circles and under eye bags. Okay. As soon as I find something that works, I'm going to test it on myself first, and then pass it on to you guys. Okay, my skin feels so soft. This is a really good treatment with the mask, the chickpea good stuff avocado mask that I did today, as well as a follow-up with my organic Rose Skincare to give me that extra protection. I'm about to go outside. Today is sunny here in California. I'm going to put on some sunscreen as well. Okay. Let's go on and give you a nice massage to help stimulate your blood flow. That's going to also give you a nice skin tone, just getting that blood flowing properly. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching me. I hope you use this mask and purchase the Organic Rose Skincare, and you won't regret it. Until next time, you guys stay beautiful, be blessed, and be safe. Bye-bye.